Come, let me show you how to make this sumptuous meal. This is garlic pasta stir fry and rotisserie chicken. Go ahead and mix any spice of your choice. I just use my black pepper, red pepper, rosemary, garlic, ginger, fried onion, as many as you want. Just play around with whatever you want. Thereafter, you mix it with this soy sauce and some of this ketchup. So I'm supposed to use sesame seed oil, but I didn't get it to buy. So here is my prawn. I just defrost it a little so I can stir fry it. Then I decided to parboil my pasta. You can see I drizzle some oil so that it doesn't stick together. That's the best way to make your pasta. Thereafter, I just stir fry. You stir fry till you no longer feel see the bubbles, like the water in this prawn is no more there. Thereafter, you add enough garlic because it is garlic stir fry. After you added the garlic, you put in your onion. You can see I just remove my chicken and I drain the water off and I pour in some cold water to make sure it stops the cooking process. Thereafter, I pour it in and started frying it with the prawn. After that, I pour in that sauce that I mixed with those spices with my salt, mix everything together and stir it. After that, I now cut my spring onion. You can add any vegetable of your choice at this point in time. It's entirely fine. And here is the rotisserie chicken I'm gonna use to eat it. Believe me, this meal was sumptuous. Will you be trying this out? Let's know in the comment section below. Please give this video a thumbs up and share it so that a lot of persons can see. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Bye.
Like tiramisu or pie in Avi World Kitchen, the limit is the sky. Avi World Kitchen, where the taste meets delight, cooking up a storm from morning till night. From savory to sweet, we bring you the best. Join our food journey, be our special guest. So like and follow, join our culinary show. In Avi World Kitchen, there's always more to know. From every corner of the world, flavors to discover in Avi World.